I wanted to make a video to tell people that I know some of you are struggling, some of you have had some rough patches, and I wanted something that would be encouraging for you to know that I believe in you and I see that you're still going for it. You're still applying. You haven't stopped. It would have been easy to give up and stop, but you didn't do it. So if you have felt that way, if you felt like giving up but you didn't, if you have felt discouraged but you kept going, this video is just for you, and enjoy it. The courage to begin again. Most people think strength is about pushing through, enduring, holding everything together no matter what. And yes, that kind of strength matters, but it's not the only kind that shapes a life. There's another strength, quieter, humbler, and far more heroic. It's the strength it takes to begin again, to start over when you didn't ask for a fresh start, to rebuild when you're still grieving what collapsed, to look at a future you didn't plan and say, okay, I'll walk towards this anyway. Beginning again or recovering isn't glamorous, it's not celebrated. Most people never see it because it happens in the privacy of our own heart. It happens in the morning you finally get out of bed after a season of being numb. In the moment you choose hope again, even though disappointment has visited you often. In the quiet decision to try one more time, even when you're tired of trying, but you do it anyway. Starting over doesn't mean you failed or you're broken. It means you refuse to stay where your life left you. Think about this for a moment. The relationship that ended didn't end you, it redirected you. The dream that fell apart didn't steal your purpose, it clarified it. The operation you never wanted or expected tested you in ways you weren't prepared for, but your resilience carried you through. The chapter that closed didn't close your future, it carved a path to a new version of you who can carry more, see more, and become more than you could have back then. Life has a way of breaking us open so something deeper can grow, and yet we underestimate the power of those small, trembling, courageous beginnings. We think the turning points are loud, the breakthroughs, the successes, the victories, but the real turning points are the moments no one applauds. When you forgive, when you let go, when you choose to believe again, when you take the first imperfect step in a direction you're not sure about yet. Those are the beginnings that change a life. So if you're in a season where everything feels uncertain, where you're rebuilding, redefining, rediscovering, don't rush it. Honor it. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience, from wisdom, from the scars that have taught you more than comfort ever could. The courage to begin again is the courage that makes everything else possible. Because once you learn you can rise from anything, you stop fearing everything. You become someone who trusts their ability to rebuild and overcome. Someone who isn't intimidated by change or obstacles. Someone who knows every ending is secretly a new doorway in disguise. This is your beginning, not your punishment, not your failure, not your detour, your beginning. And beginnings, even the painful ones, carry the seeds of the life you're meant to grow into. So breathe, take a step, start again. Because sometimes the most powerful version of you is the one who chooses to rise after the fall.